If you don't want to take me at my worst, you don't need me at my best. Right.
You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah, I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kai and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week on Saturday. You guys get to see me and gonna give this video a thumbs up because you know it's gonna be lit. We can say on and popping, we keep it rocking, we ain't stopping. Okay y'all, so today's video is showing you all the progress of where my hair is now. I'm taking my hair down, and this is how much of my hair came out since I've had these braids. I had those braids in for a month, but this is the length of my hair with the braids out. We're gonna have to go get my, look, I got caked up stuff all in my hair. All this in front of my hair. But yeah, this is my hair so far. Looks, we gonna find out where we wash it, put everything in my hair. So I'm about to, I think I'm gonna do my full treatment today. Deep conditioner. I'm gonna do the booster, and I'm gonna do my conditioner and all of this. Cause I'm getting ready to do something to my head. I'm probably gonna go on ahead and pull my giveaway winner in this video, cause I know you guys probably think I was fibbing. I have the package all ready to go for one of you guys who I choose. I got your bottle. It's not open. I gotta let you know it's not open or anything. It's a brand new bottle. Just, it's sealed. And all right y'all, so I'm back. It's been about 2 hours since I did my whole like wash care routine, and now I'm just about to, okay, I should have done a lint check before I had done those. Dang, I should have done a lint check. But my hair right now is here. It's about to my nose, about right there. Dang, girl. And I have my hair out on camera after doing my full hair care routine. We're gonna do the same thing, just showing y'all the growth. So this is y'all seeing me like showing my hair when I took the braids out, doing a length check. Now I did a length check this video, so I'm gonna come back and do another length check next month. But y'all can see how my hair looks now that it's picked out from my last video. You know, yeah, so this is the work of the Canvas Beauty brand. My hair is steady growing, really good, and I'm excited. I'm happy. No more bald patches, y'all. None. No bald spots, no nothing. Your girl hair is getting back healthy. It's growing. That patch is growing. It's there a little bit, but it's not as bad as it was when it first happened again. It was not as bad as it was when it first happened again. I know somebody asked me about my edges, how my edges were coming along. So baby girl, these are my edges. They're growing. They're getting there. So I just take one day at a time. Good. So hopefully all of you who use my video as like inspiration to go and try the products of your own, hopefully you guys hair have grown too. Let me know in the comment section how the Canvas Beauty brand has been working for you, because honey, I promise you my own money goes into buying these products because they work, and I'm not gonna ever stop purchasing the Canvas Beauty brand because they literally work. They work. Now it is time for me to do my giveaway. Don't worry you guys, if you do not win this giveaway, I will be doing more in the future for different products that I test out that work for my hair, to grow my hair. If a product doesn't work that I try and it doesn't do anything for me, I'm not gonna do a review on it. But if it works for me and I see progress and I have the proof to back it up, then I'm literally gonna get on here and show you guys that they actually work and send you guys some legitimate, send you guys product that I'm paying for out of my own pocket, so you guys can try it out and test it for yourself, so you guys can know that I'm honestly just doing this because I want to help somebody, because I know how it is to struggle with your hair. Point blank, period. That's not something that I ever would play with, because my hair has always been a problem for me, and I just want to help somebody else whose hair has always been a problem for them, because that can be a confidence shooter, can literally make your confidence so low. And I just want to help somebody, because if it helps me, I want to help somebody else. So yeah, y'all don't joan on me by my nail. I know it's missing. Girl, I don't even know where it popped off to, so I ain't even try to look for it to put it back on. And so these are the 5 people's names. You guys can see, because yeah, I just don't be wanting folks to think that I be trying to be shady or anything. So I have to show y'all that I'm a legit person. So let me shake it up. You guys see Kevin right there? Bend down, say hey. Alright, he's about to choose a name. Y'all look a busted mess. Ain't nothing like he ain't never seen before. Okay? If you don't want to take me at my worst, you don't need me at my best. Alright. So who's today?
Angela, I don't know.
Anjali Nandi. This is the name that he chose. Anjali Nanda. So Anjali, if that's how you pronounce your name, we're sorry if we're tearing your name up, honey, but you're the winner. So yay. So email me at this email that I'm gonna leave down here. I'm gonna place it down here somewhere. Email me at that email, so we can get everything situated, so I can get where you want me to send it to, and we can go ahead and get this sent to you, so you can start trying the product for yourself. But that's it. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. He doing the most back there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope my hair is already starting to shrink. I'm about to do an updo, so I'll be back in a sec, so y'all might see me in this same shirt, or I might wait to do the video. But yeah, that's it. Love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.